going to see about fetus, that is a definition of fetus. So unborn offspring that develop and grow inside uterus of human being, we can call it as fetus. जो अनबॉर्न ऑफस्प्रिंग होता है जो कि फीमेल के यूटेरस में डेवलप होता है, हम उसे जनरली यूटेरस बोल सकते हैं. A fetus, another definition, a fetus is an unborn developing human form about 9th week of pregnancy after fertilization. After fertilization, 9th week of pregnancy till delivery, we can call it as fetus. So what are the stages? So roughly there are 3 stages, that are germinal stage, embryonic stage and fetal stage. Duration of germinal stage from 0 week to 3 weeks. From this 3 weeks to 8 weeks, and fetal stage from 9th week to up to birth of child, that is up to delivery. So germinal stage starts from fertilization. As soon as there is a union of ovum and sperm, there is a process of fertilization occur, and after fertilization there is formation of zygote. After formation of zygote implants in uterus, or implantation of zygote in uterus. These all occur in germinal stage. After germinal stage there is embryonic stage, that occurs from after 2nd week, that is from 3rd week to up to 8th week. So what happens in this embryonic stage? So major organ and body structure are begin to form in this embryonic stage. After germinal stage, from 3rd week up to 8th week, there is formation of organ and all body structure are begin to form in embryonic stage. After embryonic stage there is fetal stage, that occurs from 9th week up to the delivery of baby or birth of baby. And what occur in this stage, that are growth and maturation of organ and organ system. These all occur in this fetal stage from 9th week up to, and duration, what is duration? From 9th week to up to the birth. So delivery, normally delivery occurs about 37th week to 40 week. After 37th week or 40 week, or up to 9 month और 10 मंथ, मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 महीने तक, या फिर मोस्टली डिलीवरी ऑकर इन 9th मंथ. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट fetus.